All right, so let me quickly show you this. Let me put on the phone, right? I just want you to see how my online store is doing so that you get to know the power of an online store. Now, can you see that? Look at that. That is $10,284. You can see that the commissions keep going up and up because there are many products in my online store and I'm able to make money from it. Now let me take you to the store itself. I'm going to go up here and then I'm going to click on dashboard, right? Dashboard, so that we can just go straight to the store itself. Oops, what did I click? I keep clicking so many things. Awesome. Now, this is my online store. And you can see I still have a commission that I've not withdrawn. I still have $591. How do you like that? That's cool money, right? But I'm going to let it grow, like take it up to $2,000 before I withdraw it, right? But let me still show you the store, right? Look at that. Can you see the products? Are you seeing the products in the store? Look at that. 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 That is what I'm explaining to you. Look, when you want to really make money online, you have to follow the example of those that have succeeded. That's just the truth, right? Look at Amazon. Amazon have done very well. They are the best in the world, right? When it comes to online store. Look at Walmart right now. Walmart is doing very well. Look at Target. If you are in Canada with me, we have Superstore and all these stores. They are doing very well. Why? Because they have an online store, right? You see, with an online store, you only promote the store itself. We call it one link, right? But when people come into that store, they can buy as many products as they want. And by them buying all those products, you start making money. Whether you are sleeping or you are awake, like, come on. I don't even know when they bought all those things. But look at that. Over $10,000. And that can be your own portion if you decide that you want to be part of our team, okay? Now what are we talking about? Which team are we talking about? Now, when it comes to online store, and you want it to be automated, working for you, whether you are sleeping or not, where you can now have time freedom, location freedom, where you don't have to do any serious thing at all, right? So you want to make sure your store is filled up with digital products. So when you check the TeamBuilders online store, let me load myself back there. Now, when you check the TeamBuilders online store, you just find out all these are digital products, guys. They are all digital products. And look, you don't have to buy any of them. You don't. You don't have to buy anything. You don't have to even sell anything. Everything is automated. They are all automated, I tell you, right? Now with the TeamBuilders online store system, you will be able to earn high ticket commissions of $500 per sale, $1,000 per sale, or even $2,600 per sale, guys. This is why so many people are joining the TeamBuilders, because it just makes sense. You want to earn those high ticket commissions so that you don't need to make a lot of sales. You want to make few sales, more money for you. How do you like that? That's incredible, right? Now when you join the TeamBuilders program, what you get first is your online store. So you get a complete done for you free online store. It's crazy, right? With over 20 different products. That's what I saw with it. That's what I love. So you get this complete done for you online store, and then you get a built-in autoresponder. Look, the autoresponder is a powerful software that does all your email marketing for you. So it does all the work 24/7 whether you are traveling, whether you are sleeping, it just keep making you money. It's amazing. I love online store system. They are just incredible, right? Now you also get a website builder. So in case you want to build any kind of website design, capture page, video page, whatever pages you like to use to promote your online store, you get the software for free. So it's amazing, but that's not all. You also get a marketing software that you can use to promote all over the internet. You also get a lot of done for you marketing material. So you don't have to create reels. You don't have to make videos, nothing. Everything is done for you. That's why I love this Team Builders program, right? And just imagine this. If you decide right now that you're going to join our team, let me tell you what we give you. We are going to promote your link for you for free. So we are going to really do all the work for you, making this system 100% done for you guys. This is amazing. How do you like that? How do you like that? This is crazy, right? I told you. But it just makes you money. That's what I love. Now, if you have been thinking, hey, Victor, this is what I have been looking for. I just needed an online store that is fully automated, 100% done for me. Come on, show me the way. It's simple, right? What you want to do, go to the link in the description above, below, wherever you find our link, and then you join the Team Builders program, right? So after you join the Team Builders program through our link, then you pay your one-time setup fee. No monthly fees with the Team Builders program, which is what we love. So you become a permanent team builder just like me for life, right? Now, once you pay that your one-time setup fee, and then your account is set up, they will set up your store, set up your autoresponder, set up your website. They set up all these things for you. You don't need to know how to do them. They do everything for you, and they give you your link, right? Once they give you that your link, you just come immediately to me, and then you just give me that link, and I'm going to add you to our team traffic system where we start promoting your link for you immediately, guys. We literally do all the work for you. It's just amazing. It's amazing. So let's say you are brand new to affiliate marketing, you've not made any money online before, or you have already been trying, like I see some of you tell me, Victor, I've been doing my best, but I've not been able to succeed online. Now, by joining our team, we make it easy for you, right? So when you join our team, just like I say, you don't need to have any technical skill at all. No. You don't need any technical skill because everything will be set up for you, okay? You don't need to know how to promote. It's not necessary when you are part of our team. We have a dedicated team of marketers that is going to promote for you. All right. So you don't even need to go buy traffic. It's not necessary because we are buying the traffic and we're giving it to you for free. How do you like that? So we literally give everything to you for free. All right. You don't even have to do any follow-up because we are going to do the follow-up for you. So our team does all those things for you guys. So that's why with this system, there's no recruiting, no selling, no buying, nothing, guys. It's amazing. All right. So you don't need to have any experience of your own. No. You can just be brand new and then you join our team and then that's all, right? And then we do most of the hard work for you. So with this Team Builders program, there is no monthly fees. I told you that, right? So with no monthly fees. So once you join, you don't want to be thinking about paying monthly fees, right? There is only a one-time setup fee that you will pay to the Team Builders program, and they will set up your online store. They will set up your website, set up your autoresponder. They just set up everything for you. They give you your link, and I say, that's all I need, your link, right? And then we start promoting your link for you. All right, guys, this program is worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you are in the world, you can be part of this amazing program. And now people will ask me, but Victor, why are you doing this for free, right? It's simple. You see, when you become a team builder, you are able to earn what is called second tier commission. So that means you earn commissions from the sale, from the effort of your team members. So you see, when we help you to get traffic, build your email list, and hopefully we get you sales, every time we make sales for you, we also earn second tier commissions. You get that? That's why you have to make sure you come through my link so that we can help you out in every way. But let's put a disclaimer right now before I'm done. Now, the disclaimer is this: there is no guarantee of sales, right? And you understand why, right? We are not divine. We are not in the pocket of the buyers. So there's no guarantee of sale. But the only thing I can tell you is this: I am getting sale. Other team members are getting sales. So that means you too, you will be able to get sales. So even though we don't guarantee it, but come on, you know what I mean, right? So if you are ready right now and you want to be part of our team, it's very simple. Go to my link description above or in my profile or anywhere my link is. You have to go through my link so that you'll be part of my team or our team. If you are not part of our team, we can't give you that service for free. All right, so you want to be part of our team so that we can start promoting your link for you, start building your email list, start following up for you, start doing all those things that we needed to do. All right, so if you want to be part of our team, go to my link, click that link, then that will take you to the Team Builders program. Then you pay your one-time setup fee. And then that's all. Once you do that, get back to me, give me your link, and then we will start promoting your link for you for free, guys. This is amazing. Now, if you have any question about the Team Builders program, or you have question about our free traffic system, what you want to do, privately DM me, we can talk about it. And if you like this video, please click the like button. Also click the share button, because we want more people online to know that there is help in teamwork, right? Teamwork is the best way to make money online. You just have to be part of a team that is ready to help you to succeed online. So share it, and that is amazing. So with that, I'm done for today. I will see you again. Take care. Bye.